Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you the Boston Whaler 2022 280 Vantage. What a very versatile boat this is. It does everything. It goes offshore. It gets the interior very well with the shallow draft. It's got the new dive door on it, and it's powered by the twin Mercury 250s. Great motors for the boat. Let's hop on board to see the rest. Here we are on board the 280 Vantage. Let's start at the back of the boat. The Mercs, the twin 250s I had mentioned. They're the new motors. They're extremely quiet. Very little vibration, very fast, just phenomenal motors. The back of the boat, if you're just going out for a ride, you've got a really big, comfortable two-person, sometimes three-person seat in the back. And if you're going to fish, lift it up, it becomes a real nice leaning post, rod holders. We've got the live well is now, instead of under the seat, it's now back for great location. And then we've got the dive door, which does a little bit of everything. It's the safest way to get on and off the boat, so it's level with a floating dock. So very, very safe versus the back of the boat. And then if you're gonna go swimming, you get the ladder. That's a 4-step fixed ladder. Very, very safe when you go to get in. You've got something to grab on right there to get safely in the boat. And then as far as the gunnel being, trying to bring a fish over the top, a lot of times you lose them here. This way, it's still half in the water. You drag it into the fish box, take the hook off. It's still that way. It does have the new seat, which doubles as a cooler, so it's got a drain in the bottom, and so you can put, it's actually pretty large size on that. You've got nice storage underneath, and then the seat over here, you've got a seat if you just have it for reverse seating. Comes over here, also accessible from the back seat. Storage for the ladder is underneath. And then I can pop this out, lay this all the way down. Adults can lounge comfortably facing this way, and if I lower this back down this way, two people can lounge facing reverse. So more storage underneath here. And as I move over to the large head, very, very roomy down there, plenty of room, and then you've got a pull-out faucet in there that you can actually rinse yourself off if you want to change into clothes at the end of the day before you go to a restaurant, that type of thing, so you can kind of shower off, which is very, very nice. You've got the 12-inch Marine, which is it's perfect. It's very large. You can split it for 2 different screens, bring one in and one out. You've got the Fusion stereo, VHF radio, trim tabs. It's locked and loaded with everything in here. Digital throttle and shift, and then the joystick does everything. I could dock this boat anywhere, any condition, every time. It's just like sideways, you name it, it'll do it. Also has the sky hook, which if I hit the, if I'm coming into a marina and I want to get a slip assignment, I can hit the sky hook, put all my fenders and lines all out and, without running back and try to straighten the boat out, which is kind of nice. And then lastly, it's got the auto heading, which is an autopilot. So the boat has a little line that goes out, and you just point and shoot. So I point where I want to go, hit the button, and I can sit back and relax. I can have a conversation with everybody, just keeping an eye on what's going on in front of me. And it's just a really nice feature for the captain, much more enjoyable for me. So as we move forward, large storage behind the helm. So you've got the table and the table leg. Nice, neatly put away. You've got a trash barrel right there. So when you're underway, if you're in the cockpit, you can put your trash. If you're up here, you can slide the trash in. And when you go to empty, you just pull the bucket out, dump the bucket out, and put it back in. So very easy. Lastly, up at the bow, I'm going to show you the storage from this side, so you can access everything from this side as well. So very convenient for taking things in, and especially the trash barrel. And you got very nice lounges, an extra wide lounge here, both with the armrests on it. You got your speakers, and then you've got at the bow, you've got your windlass. So the windlass is recessed, so it's not out on top of the dock, so you can actually stand up here without tripping on it. And then when you if you want to go up to the beach, you can just pull directly onto the beach, deploy the ladder, you get off the boat and on the boat from the sand, and it's real without getting wet and in the water, so it's a really nice feature. And then when you do get back in, you can rinse off the sand so it doesn't get in the boat. So the boat's a very, very cool boat for as far as inland and up and down the coast. It does it very, very well. If you've got any questions, would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman, 603-213-1194.